What is up, guys? Tonight we're gonna be opening up some Yu-Gi-Oh! I don't know much about Yu-Gi-Oh! But my cousin recently actually just sent me some Yu-Gi-Oh! Cards, which I know nothing about. I was looking forward to getting some Pokemon. He sent some Pokemon, but he also sent a lot of Yu-Gi-Oh! And I don't know a lot about it. I saw this pack floating around online. Thought I'd give it a try. Maybe open it up, see if we got anything good. Let me know what you guys know about Yu-Gi-Oh! If this is a good pack, if this is a good box, if this is a good set. What you guys think about it? I had some trouble actually opening this. Knife to open this up. I have a knife somewhere here, actually. Let me just find it so I can open this up. If not, that's fine. So I'll just try and use my teeth, right? Or try and find it. In the box, maybe. Really plastic bag. Wow. I thought I'd have so much trouble opening the box. Finally, we're in. Kind of crushed the box, honestly, but I needed to get in. I couldn't just have a video of me struggling. I guess I could. That wouldn't be very fun for me. So, wow. I never opened up Yu-Gi-Oh! Before. Let me know if this is cool. What is this? A token? That's cool. We got 1, 2, 3 booster pack. 4 booster packs. Cool. Guess let's open these up, right? Crack them out like you would Pokemon, I assume. Pokemon, dudes, Yu-Gi-Oh! Have code cards? I don't think so, right? Don't even know how to start off with these. There's the Beast of Talwar, harder base of all things, and these are first edition, all first edition, I believe. Gladiator, Beast, Darius. Ooh, that's cool. That looks like it's worth some money. Nice. Set that one off to the side. Ooh, that's cool. Halo Spirit of Tricks. Ooh, she looks cool too. Maybe worth some money. Not sure. Attack 0? Defense 0? Don't know if that's good or bad. Grand Knight of the Red Lotus. That's cool too. Ooh. Evil Hero Darkest Night. Those are all cool cards. Set these off to the side. I assume a lot of these are commons. Don't know. Really don't know. So I know nothing about Yu-Gi-Oh! Still cool to open though. Ooh. Curse of the Ancient Turtle. Ooh, a dragon. Nice. Oh. Anyone know anything about this card? Let me know in the comments what you know about Yu-Gi-Oh! If that's a good card, if that's not a good card. If I'm just overhyping something I know nothing about. I'm coding. Use some of the Yu-Gi-Oh! Fans, help me out here. Lightstorm Dragon. Great verification. Set the cards to the side that I think might be worth something. I don't know. Try to separate what I think are commons, what aren't. Those are cool. Let's go on with our second to last pack here. Delta Invitation, Wing of the Spirit Treats, DD Post, Sweet Reclaiming, ooh, Test Air, that's cool, Minimillin, Metal Reactor. Yeah, there's that. It's very interesting. Really interesting. Let's start off with our last pack. I'm going to end with our last pack, actually. Start off. Don't know much about this set. Don't know much about these cards. Don't know a whole lot about Yu-Gi-Oh, but ooh, that looks cool. Temper of Fortune. Sinful Spoils Awaken. That's cool. These seem like commons. Yeah. Halloween. That is so cool. And Minimillin. Well, that's gonna end it for tonight. Let me know which of these cards are good, which of these cards are not good, what's worth something. Did I get anything worth anything? Let me know in the comments. Okay. Oh, peace. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.